Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering WAEC 2020 Chemistry Objective Past Question 8. The high solubility of ethanol in water is due to A. Its low boiling point, B. Its low freezing point, C. Its covalent nature, D. Hydrogen bonding. Now, ethanol belongs to the family of organic compounds known as alkanols, and these compounds are known for their OH or hydroxyl functional group. So this is what qualifies ethanol as an alkanol. Now its chemical formula is C2H5OH. So as you can see, you have the OH functional group in the chemical formula of ethanol. Now what OH group does for ethanol and also for all the alkanols is that it makes majority of them highly soluble in water, and this high solubility in water is due to the presence of hydrogen bonds. Now this arises when, or as a result of, the hydroxyl groups can form hydrogen bonds with water molecules. So immediately they are mixed with water, the hydroxyl functional group forms hydrogen bonds with the water, hence enhancing their solubility. That's why ethanol is highly soluble in water. So as we have rightly said, formation of hydrogen bonds or hydrogen bonding, which is option D, is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.